Very practical.
Yeah, I think it was a great opportunity. It's beautiful, no? It will come out next year.
I have lived in Hokkaido for 4 years.
Yes, Tochigi Prefecture. And there we did this with the mayor. I did make this. We are in consultation on the exact time frame on which we would be able to complete it. It could be 2026 or it could even be early. So what I can say is that there is considerable progress in the project.
Very practical.
Yeah, I think it was a great opportunity in India more. You know, we did the resident dialogue here. If you visit Ahmedabad, you will see that the civil construction is complete. So it is a great work in progress, and we are making steady progress. So I am sure that we would be able to meet the target.